Ich erreiche die 5. Kurve. Irgendwelche Hinweise?
Ja, bleib auf der Seite, die Verhältnisse sind optimal. Wenn du aus der Kurve rauskommst, gib mehr Tempo, ja?
Schaltung streikt. Ich brauche das Ersatzrad für die nächste Etappe.
Der Puls ist gut, behalt die Trittfrequenz bei.
Confirm meeting with Shanghai Orbital, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Your meeting is confirmed at 10 a.m. Please contact Survey upon arrival.
Activate. Shanghai local information. Select hotels in Central Business District. Select Grand Hyatt Hotel. Confirm executive suite at Grand Hyatt for 3 nights. So and reconfirm my onward flight to Hong Kong with my usual seat allocation.
Please take City Expressway. Turn off at exit 9. Your route will be updated at regular intervals.
Les maisons du futur.
Salut Didier, je suis revenue de faire mon petit shopping. Alors, amuse-toi bien avec ton jeu, moi je vais regarder un petit peu de télé. D'accord? Didier, dépêche-toi, tu vas être en retard à l'école.
Oh maman.
Et pour vous simplifier la vie, les guides virtuels seront là pour vous aider à trouver l'erreur ou les solutions à vos problèmes.
Bye bye maman, à plus tard.
Hi Jim, I'm here. I'm 5 minutes away from Orbital. Okay. Yes, will do. Right. Okay. Look, I'm going to the meeting now. I'll contact you live on video when I need the technical visuals. Okay. Okay, bye. Morning. How are you? Morning. How are you?
你好，你好，
Thank you. Good morning.
请坐，请坐。你的旅途还愉快吗？
Good. The flight was excellent, thank you.
很好。我们今天的会议呢，主要是讨论我们那个卫星发展计划。这个计划目前已经进入最后一个阶段了，我们正等着您的零部件运来。
Okay.
你给我们的样品我们试过了，而且我们觉得它的效率很好。
Oh, that's good then.
基本上只要有小小的更改，我们会有更好的效果。
Yes, well, we've managed to fix most of the problems. So, shall we take a look at the technical specs?
可以。
As you can see, we've improved the interface between the components here, here, and down here. We will be able to get the first shipment to you as on schedule, and we can supply the quantities too.
它的设计蛮不错的。
我也觉得不错。那您的零件大概什么时候会送到我们这里？
We expect to deliver within the 3rd quarter.
那你什么意见吗？
照我来看的话。
user profile, please place your thumb on the screen for identification. Thank you, Mr. Pereira. Your personal profile has been confirmed. Is there anything I can help you with?
Actually, I just like to read the newspaper.
Certainly, sir. Hello, darling.
I'm not choosing mine now.
What is that?
Isn't it wonderful?
Isn't it fantastic?
It's what I've always wanted.
How about dinner tonight instead? Do you remember the Italian restaurant I met you in and it poured with rain?
You're on. 8 o'clock?
Shall I meet you at the bar?
Yes, that would be good, but maybe I'll be a little bit late. Bye!
This is a lovely place.
I wonder who that might be.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Ah, look, it's Stella. Stella, how are you? We've been missing you. You're looking wonderful. It must be very cold out there.
What a beautiful snowman.
You do take care of yourself. See that you don't catch cold.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday to